it's very unfortunate to say that I've seen it in, especially in public places, people seems they are not scared anymore to COVID-19, unlike last year. So this year, you must have seen, though from the government we keep requesting people, please, please take care yourself. Because unless you take care yourself individually, you need to understand one thing: government cannot do anything. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to, to respect and to obey and to adhere whatever notification issued by the government through the health department from time to time. We need to really adhere to this in totality. So therefore, I would like to appeal here. I would like to request once again that the strain, the second wave of this COVID-19, the strain is highly infectious. The spread is so much, and we would therefore request all the citizens of the state to take care of themselves. Let me just tell you one thing: we are observing on a very regular basis. If the situation is out of control, no way out, government has to go for total lockdown. So therefore, I would request on behalf of the government is requesting each and every citizen of the kindly, please help the government by your helping yourself. Without your help, government cannot do anything. And your help is what? Very simple. Unnecessary movement, avoid. Why should you just come to Shillong when it is not so necessary? Well, if you talk about maybe the emergency cases or maybe health issues, okay, that you have to. But those avoidable trips can be avoided and can also be extended because the situation is so grim.